Hello there, and welcome to my first ever Minecraft. It's not really a let's play, but sure, a let's play, I guess. I'm trying to get good at playing Java with a controller, as you can see. I'm not very good at it. Great. But today I just want to explore the world. Wow, so cool. And see where we're gonna put our base down. I think we can get good at that. We can do that. We can find a base, and then we're gonna go from there. See what's going on. Now we're gonna just start recording. So if I say anything very funny, but we're just gonna act as if we're not recording. Alright, I'm seeing there's a big hill over there. And I think this way there's not a hill. So that's fun. Variety. Variety's good. Although I am wondering, the thing I'm having trouble is what kind of, a village. What kind of world do I want to make? Like, theme. And I'm really into, at the moment, BC, like Nightwing, and, So I'm thinking, do I go, for, a city? Like a Gotham style city, but, put my own spin on it? I think that could be really cool. Oh, that's not cool. Oh, that's not cool. Someone call the fire brigade. I guess I'm the fire brigade. Oh, if only I had my dream luck and I had a bucket. Actually, I don't want dream luck. Never mind. Redact my joke. Coal! Oh, right. Basic Minecraft gameplay. Tree. I am starting to think that mountain does look way better. It also looks suspiciously like it might want a manor of some kind on the top of it, right? Yeah. Oh, I'm seeing it, and then it could be like a mini city, not like a huge, like a perspective cityscape. And I can put it in my thumbnail and be like, wow, look at my building skills, but it's just really far away, so you can't see that it's bad. Oh, that's okay. That's a button. What's my inventory? Ha 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 ha. You have no proof that I'm playing with controller other than the fact you can probably tell. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh! Shoot! Alright, there's gonna be a lot of a learning curve, to say the least. I need to get coal anytime I see coal because, why does it seem so rare? Since they've moved all the Y levels, getting coal is honestly harder than getting diamonds. Because oh! Wow! It says it's a Animal Crossing reference. Got a 5-star island here. Maybe I should live here. Oops. My Animal Crossing farm, my island farm. I think I started. My Animal Crossing island was 5 stars for approximately 1 week before all the flowers overgrew, and then it was not. Riveting story. I know. I'm gonna steal all this. We're gonna go set up a mini base. And my starter base will be not insane. We're not doing a hermit crop here. Not this. I mean, oh, every mob ever. Maybe Alright, I think I've raided the whole place. Oh fuck. Fuck. Oh, shit. Get him! Nobody's actually gonna kill me. Help! Help! And let's head out to the hill. And I will show you my vision that I just had 3 seconds ago. Ghetto. Right. That's not the mountain. That's a way bigger mountain. That's actually a really cool. Is that the... That's not the mountain, is it? Shit, it might be. So far this was a little different than Bedrock, but I couldn't explain why or how. It just feels different. I have... Alright. There's 2 mountains. There's 3 mountains. Let me... Well, this is probably about where I started, up there. So if we climb a tree, it's basically the same height. Couple mountains. I mean, we could go really big, right? I mean, little bit of forced perspective? Wait, that's not forced perspective, that's just perspective. Thinking could build like, what if I just like a total Gotham vibe? So big bougie manor, right? Alright. We've made it to the spot where my vision lies, and alright, welcome to totally not Wayne Manor Mountain. It's not, it's legally distinct, it's Kane Manor, it's unrelated. Yo, and there's a couple cherry blossoms, that's also, nearly. So up here I'm thinking like we have the big manor house, and then, I mean, the river works, cause like in the, look, my knowledge of the is actually limited, but this is like in the Lego game, right? So there's the bridge there that you drive and you always crash your car into because it's too narrow a gap, but that might just be moving back to the game. And then I'm thinking like cityscape all down here as well would look so cool. Right, I'm thinking I have a chronic illness, so all my weeks are pretty messed up, you know, varying levels of health. But I thought, wow, what if I have like a chart, right? So like I have a color chart. So for like 1 to a scale. Hello again. It's been a while since the last clip. Maybe a couple weeks. You know how the Minecraft be. I've been trying to build my mansion. I think I've got a pretty good base down. This Minecraft building thing is it's a lot harder than, you know, I remember it being every time. I'm like, oh, I'll just whack out like a class build, S-class tier build. It's hard. But this is like the grungy kind of palette we're going for. I think this looks good as like a placeholder. Please don't bully it too hard. Maybe bully it a little, because it's missing a lot of things and I don't know what it's missing. But you know, it's a grungy manor. It's all grey, but maybe there's too much grey. I try to go with like, you know, the sun's like hitting the top, but other than that, I haven't got much. And if that's not if we pop around here, whoa, house tour. Yeah, there's not much going on here. But I thought maybe we could pop down to the bank over there and see what sort of size this is looking before I keep working, because this whole thing needs to be like kind of in proportion with all the... Oh, hello there. Just having a little swim. 2 bros chilling in a hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay. Alright, I have also been, I did a little mining off camera. And not quite, yeah, you know, like impulse level mining where he's done a whole silo. No. Alright, let me go on a, edit, like a clip of... Welcome to the enchanting table. That's right, it's here. It's got next cool thing. 16 diamonds and a diamond pickaxe. What more could you want? Now, you knew I had a diamond pickaxe because it needs obsidian. Third and final cool thing. Did someone say infinite iron? Well, I did. I said that. We found a I played with my girlfriend the other night. We maybe found. Now I don't know if these work the same as Bedrock. In Bedrock, they're like pretty much infinite. But we did find a huge one of these iron veins. All right. I think I'm gonna add a temporary back to this thing. See, told you it'd be 3 seconds or so. Welcome back. I haven't done much. I did a little bit of. I was gonna do landscaping, but like the point of this view is it's meant to be viewed from far away. So I don't know if landscaping's gonna it'll like mess up the perspective. I think if I put planters out here and stuff. So I didn't do that for now. But I also forgot that I did my segue on my transition on the bridge and I broke it. So that's why I'm over there. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Very much the same. A couple bits of like extra tough added just to like make the path look a bit less well kept and stuff. Even though this person's rich as hell. So we got. I want to have like a grand hallway. This might even go. Nah, that's probably tall enough. Like a grand hallway. So it's got a cool arching roof, ceiling actually even is what I'm hoping to do here. And then here we're just gonna have like, we're gonna have storage and stuff, and I need to eat. And I've not done the floor, and I've not done the roof, because I'm not sure how big I want these things to be. But we're gonna have, here it is, one final look from over here at the manor we built today. Well, today for you, it may be taking me a couple weeks, but I think it looks really, really good, and it's really going to help me to remember that builds aren't necessarily meant to be viewed from so close up, because it does look pretty rough close, but like from here it looks exactly as I intended, which makes me so very happy, because I was really close to kind of calling it quits. But I think it looks amazing, so it makes me really excited for hopefully building like a whole town, and this will get more work done to it. I think it's just good to have like the face in so we have the perspective ready. And then hopefully we'll, next episode, pick out our color palettes for my like chronic illness build themes. I think that'll be so cool. We can have different shops based on different colors and different, build